Hello guys, this is Aditya here. Welcome to Past Collaboration Labs demo for CCA Collaboration version 3. So today we would be performing section 1.3. So this section is all about NTP and clock configuration for all applications and the devices at each site. Where HQ is in US Pacific Standard Time Zone, site B is in US Central Standard Time Zone, and site C is in Hong Kong. So let's perform the practical. So first we need to initiate an RDP session with HQPC, and the credentials are admin and CCA collab. So once we are in, we need to launch a browser. First, I'll start the configuration with HQ Publisher. We can use the bookmarks which are pinned to your left hand side. The credentials are already saved on the browser. So we'll go to System and Date and Time Group Configuration. Over here, we need to use default date and time group, which is CM local. So you need to get into this and modify the time zone to -8 PST8 PDT, which is your questions requirement. Save the configuration, apply this, and make sure you reset it. So the clock configuration is done. Now the next is NTP for HQ Publisher. So the NTP is something we could do it from CLI. We'll be using multi-tab putty to SSH HQ Publisher. To check NTP, use utils NTP status. This command will help you to validate what NTP server is configured. And this is absolutely correct as per your questions requirement, that is 157.26.1.250. So we are done with HQ Publisher. Now we'll perform same steps on HQ SME. We'll start with clock configuration. Since SME is also part of your HU cluster, so even this would be PST8 PDT. Save it and reset it. And the next thing is to validate NTP for SME. Use same command, utils NTP status. There you go. Looks all good. So SME is done. Next is UCCX. For UCCX, there is no clock configuration, but we need to validate the NTP configuration. So let's SSH UCCX publisher. We would validate the NTP using the same command. So NTP looks good over here as well. So right after UCCX, we would validate NTP on CUC. Same command, utils NTP status. Even over here, NTP is correctly configured. So we have successfully validated NTP on HQPub, SME, UCCX and CUC. So the next application on HQ is CMS. Now we have three nodes of CMS. So we would start with CMS1. First, we'll validate the NTP settings for CMS using the command NTP status. No NTP server is configured, so we need to add one using NTP server add 157.26.1.250. Then we'll validate the time zone as well. So time zone needs to be PST 8 PDT. Once you change the time zone, you need to reboot the server. Now we'll go to CMS2 and follow the same steps. NTP status, NTP server add, followed by 157.26.1.250 and the time zone. Let's reboot it, and once it's up, we'll validate the configuration. Now we'll finish the configuration with CMS3. Follow the same steps. And finally, we will reboot. So let's go to CMS1 to validate the output. Time zone looks good. Let's check the NTP. The NTP is not synced, so we need to delete and add it back. That's it, and it would be synced in some time. Same verification on CMS2. Time zone looks good. Even NTP is not synced over here, so we would follow the same steps again. You guys can face this issue in real exam as well, so be careful. We'll just come back later on to validate this. Let's go to CMS3. Time zone. So the time zone is good on all the three CMS. NTP is the only problem on all three of them. So delete and add NTP server again and Wait for NTP service to come up. CMS1. This time it should sync properly. The asterisk sign shows the peer is synced. Even this is synced. Perfect. So all three CMS are correctly synchronized. So the next is Expressway. We'll start with Expressway C. This is Expressway C1. Go to System, Time Configuration. Make sure the NTP is correct and time zone is PST 8 PDT since it belongs to HQ. That's it on Expressway C1. Go to Expressway C2 and follow the same steps. Now we'll go to Expressway E1. Go to System, Time. The NTP looks good. So time zone needs to be modified to same PST 8 PDT and same is applied on Expressway E2. That's it. So Expressway configuration is done here. Next is Site B publisher and Site C publisher. So for CUCM, there are two things. First is on the call manager, you need to configure date and time group. So let's do that quickly. Go to System, Date and Time group, modify the existing CM local group, and this time it's gonna be -6 CST since this is side B. Save it and reset it. Now same thing on site C publisher. Go to System, Date and Time group. Now this is site C which is in Hong Kong. So the time zone needs to be set to +8 Asia Hong Kong. Save it and reset it. Lastly, ensure NTP settings on site B and site C publisher. Utils NTP status. There you go. Looks good. Even Site C is perfectly synchronized. All the UC applications are perfectly synced with the NTP server, and clock is synchronized with appropriate time zone. The last devices which are remaining are the cubes. So let's access the cubes. I will start with HQ Cube 1. I need to configure the NTP server, then time zone PST -8. Since this cube is in US, so we need to configure summertime as well for daylight saving. Exact same configuration on HQ Cube 2. So this is the verification. As you could see, the time zone has changed to PDT over here. NTP status might not show you synced. In that case, just verify one output, show NTP association. If this is increasing, it means your NTP will get synced but will take some time. Normally CSRs take some time to sync with NTP. Same thing on Cube 2. Even this is not synced. But you see the when value are increasing, so even this will get synced. Next is side B. Configure the NTP server. Now this is CST, Central Standard Time Zone -6, and for summertime CDT. There you go. Clock is reflecting the CDT time zone. It is in initialization stage over here. Let me just remove the NTP and add it again. Now the when value should start increasing. So the side B is also done, and the last device is side C cube. This is HKT +8. Clock looks good. Let's check the NTP status. not synced yet. So I will take it off and edit again. There you go. The value is increasing. For the time being, it's unsynced. But since when value are increasing, in some time it will get synchronized. So that's all with our demo session. Thanks for watching us.